Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word liquidated. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the company declared bankruptcy, all of its assets were liquidated to pay off its debts. Liquidated means to convert assets into cash by selling them, often to settle debts or close a business and distribute the proceeds among creditors. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.